Good afternoon po and welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout po natin si Sir Maynard ng Ilocos Norte, sir. Welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Ito po yung ating i-unbox ngayon is the 1911 MEU gas blowback airsoft pistol na silver. So, meron na siyang free na 0.23 grams 4,000 shots na bala. And also silicone oil and then yung pop dyno na propellant. And so airsoft siya, airsoft gas blowback airsoft pistol. So pag airsoft, ang bala ay airsoft BBs. Yan, airsoft BBs po. Ito po ang airsoft BBs. Yan, airsoft BBs. Plastic ball. So yan po ang bala ng airsoft. Ito po siya, 1911 MEU silver full metal. Ito yung magazine, 15 rounder magazine siya na metal din. Ito naman po yung unit. Full metal po, metal slide, metal frame, metal mug. Tapos yung grip niya, rubberized yung cover. To cover lang po yan, kaya may screw yan dyan. Cover po yan. Yung iba kasing cover ng airsoft, ibang klase yung plastic. Ito po, rubberized. Rubber yan. 1911 MEU gas blowback airsoft. Naka-fix yung slide. Sa rear, sa front, naka-fix. Yung markings. Made in Taiwan ng WE. Okay. So, ito po pala sir yung owner's manual. Tapos, load tayo ng gas and BBs. Ito po ay single stock. Single stock 15 rounder. So, pag sinabi pong single stock, hilera lang siya. Yung double stock, alternating yun. Yan. Sigas. Inverted position po, upside down, 3 to 5 seconds. Testing po, 1911 MEU silver all metal gas blowback airsoft piston. Okay, open slide, release the mag. Then balik lang yung slide, hammer down. Yung safety pala, hindi natin na-check, no? Safety, check. Okay, beaver tail, check. Okay, so working po. Sir Maynard, all goods, 1911 MEU.